I hope I can capture the sparkles here. Do you guys see the sparkles and the beauty? Where are you going today?
Tea party.
Tea party? Where's the tea party?
At St. Bernard.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think.
Where's the tea party?
At St. Bernard.
Oh, at St. Bernard's.
Well, I think St. Bernard.
Very nice. And what kind of tea do you like?
I don't know.
I beg the pardon of all these dandelions we haven't sprayed, because you don't like it when we spray, do you? Let's see your hair. Oh, when you took the donut from the box, did you put it in your hair? Right?
No, it's a donut made out of tights.
Amazing. And look at this fine one. Oh, aye. Oh, a hooligan. Oh, well, it's very nice to talk with you, Princess. I hope I see you around. This is another reason why I don't like to spray the dandelions.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get a face full
But
of birds.
you
Where are
said
they?
all four?
Where are they?
You can see right through here.
Oh yeah. Okay, I don't know if I
There was 4 eggs.
can see.
They do kind of pile up on each other.
The mama bird's up there. You can hear her. Mama bird's having a fit.
Stop now.
Yeah, it's up.
Doesn't it actually care about the people who are waiting?
Trains do not care. Lee, do you want a piece? Not sure what he's doing. Do you want a piece?
Is this so?
Here, take a piece.
What? Babies?
If you want one.
Yes, I do.
From the end though. Okay.
Yeah, I got the end.
Okay.
Look at this. I can't do it anymore.
Okay. I get the idea.
No!
Try it.
This one, no, I won't try it. If you
Reese is
show
tidy.
me.
Go try it.
No.
This is tidy.
No.
I had to like scoot
No.
down and see her. I have the biggest piece of mine.
Teresa, I think that's the safe part though.